Hello guys, welcome back. So today I'm making peanut soup. I'll start by boiling my chicken. I'm using strong chicken. I added some onions, some stockfish, seasoning cubes. I added salt, water. I mix this together and cover it to cook for 25 to 30 minutes. 25 minutes later, I come back and I added my fish, my mackerel. I boil this for like 10 minutes. Here is my peanuts, my scotch bonnets, bell pepper and onions. I add them into a blender, add water and blend until it's smooth. 10 minutes later, come back and I take out my mackerel fish so it will not scatter inside the soup. So I have to take them out. And I added my blended peanuts. Added a little bit of salt. I didn't add seasoning cubes because I've added to the meat while boiling it. I stir this together, cover and allow to cook for like 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I add back my mackerel fish, give it a stir. Cover it for like 5 minutes and then I come back and I added my washed bitter leaf. Mix this together, cover to simmer for like 2 to 3 minutes and it's ready. Our peanut soup is ready. So here I will be using Irish potato swallow, katofe puree. It's ready. Come and join me guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.